What should you do when your dataset contains empty cells? Those missing values can seriously affect your analysis if you don't handle them correctly. Missing data creates three major problems. Some machine learning algorithms cannot process missing values at all. Missing information can introduce hidden bias into your results, and deleting data carelessly may waste valuable information. There are three types of missing data. Missing completely at random, or MCAR, means the missing values occur randomly. Missing at random, or MAR, depends on other observed variables. Missing not at random, or MNAR, depends on the missing value itself and is the most challenging case. The first strategy is deletion. You can remove entire rows, compare only complete pairs of observations, or remove columns with too many missing values. Deletion is simple, but it can reduce your dataset and introduce bias if the missing values are not random. The second strategy is simple imputation. Replace missing numerical values with the mean or median, and categorical values with the mode. Mean works well for symmetric data, while the median is more robust when outliers are present. For better accuracy, advanced methods can estimate missing values. K-nearest neighbors predicts values using similar observations. Regression uses relationships between variables, and MICE repeatedly models missing values to improve the estimates. Before choosing a method, ask 4 questions. How much data is missing? Is the variable numerical or categorical? How much time and computing power do you have? And does the missing pattern suggest missing not at random? Let's recap. Identify the type of missing data first. Use deletion carefully. Apply mean, median, or mode for simple cases. Choose advanced methods when accuracy matters. And always understand why the data is missing before filling the gaps. Follow the Daily Deploy for more AI, machine learning, and statistics explained visually.